What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. Hey, I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time how to grow a portfolio from $0, which I started a couple months ago, to 10K. And then I'm going to take it all the way from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock below or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about whether or not it's too late to buy GNUS stock. And so before we get into that, we're going to open up a free stock, get some shout outs, as well as take a look at my portfolio. As you can see, it's already a good day in the market. I'm recording this while the market is open. We are over 30,000, sitting at 31,126. You see it's fluctuating a little bit. On the day, we already up over $400. On the week, we are up over 7.5%. On the month, we are up over 15.5%. And if I take you guys 3 months out, we are up over 21%. You guys know I teach on this channel how to invest, entry points to when to sell. And so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. I make sure everybody is a winner on this page. Today we got a free stock and it comes from Erica. I thank each and every one of you guys for using my free link. Again, it's a win-win for you and me. This is the game we all should be playing. So anytime I see anybody investing, I'm a happy man. Without further ado, let's check out Erica. You guys know we always go with the one in the middle, and so we always hoping for the best. But on today, we got Sirius XM, 1 share, $6.49. Shout out to Erica again. And again, man, feel free to use my free link below. You get a free stock, I got a free stock. You can use a Webull as well and get some more free stock. Free money is the best way to go. So without further ado, man, I want to talk to you guys today about GNUS stock and whether or not it's too late to buy. And so let's take a look at this really quickly. It is currently sitting at $5.41. Absolutely a great time to buy. For some of you that own this stock above this price point, this is an opportunity for you to lower your cost basis. Everything in the stock market is all about your average cost basis. And so if you own this at $6, $7, or $8, sitting here at $5.42 right now, it's a great time to buy. I recommend, you guys know, if you follow me, the goal is always a minimum 100 shares, but on our way up, we got to get 25, we got to get 50 en route to 100. And so I want you guys that don't have your 100 shares established yet to get on your horse and get towards it. Those that do already have 100 shares may took a loss last week. I don't care about that. We about to rebound and recoup all that back. And so what I need you to do is lower your cost basis. Okay, June 15th, we got some good news coming out about this stock. And if you play it right, this is an opportunity to hit once again. One thing I wanted to talk to you all about is there's 2 reasons that you should be considering GNUS stock. One, as a short-term play, those of you that's looking for the June 15th time frame, and 2, for my long-term investors. Let me give you some game real quick. GNUS has an opportunity to, if they play it right, by this time next year, get acquired by Disney. If that happens, then you guys will really see your stock shoot through the roof. And if you get 100 or more shares, you can possibly set yourself up for early retirement. Again, we often say here, why drive the Chrysler 300 when you can drive the Maybach? For all my Tesla stockholders, we say this: why drive the Mach-E when we can drive the Tesla? It's the same thing with this, man. Right now, Disney is the better play, but if you are playing GNUS, this is how you need to play it. So it's not too late to buy the stock. I just need you guys to either accumulate your 100 shares at this price point or below, or average down if your price point is above this $5 mark. Now it's time for our question of the day. And today's question comes from Alexandria, and she asks, how much do you think it will be a share by June 15th? Great question. And Alexandra, I appreciate you and the question. This is what I tell you guys. Don't chase the price. I need you to have your own price point of where you want to get out of the stock at for those that's playing this as a short play. Okay, so again, I can tell you, yep, G is going to go to $11.37. I can make some guesstimations about that. However, that's not the point. What you need to do with any stock, this stock as well as others, you need to, one, focus on your entry point and your cost basis of when you got into the stock. And based on that, you need to say, you know what, if it hits $9.50, I'm going to sell. I don't care what else it does. I don't care if it goes up from that point or not. I'm getting out at $9.50. You have to start setting your own expectation for each and every stock if your goal is to have a short play on it. As a long-term investor, those of you that have a longer outlook, 1 year or longer, we can just sit back and ride the wave. This stock will eventually go to $15 and $20. And again, like I said, it's going to set a lot of you up for early retirement if you play this as a long play. I know we have different investors, so I give advice to cover both aspects. My short-term players, you have to set your own price point for when you get out. Hey, listen, man, I make videos like this every week. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you get your 100 stocks, and I'll see you guys in the next one.